What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man. Look at this joint, man. This joint is clean, bro. This joint is clean today. I'm about to get attacked by this little dog. That joint definitely want to bite me, man. Wait for my cousin to get here. About to cut my hair. So I figured I'd, turn the camera on, holler at y'all for a minute. Damn, what is this? I think this dog gonna attack me, man. That junk small as a mug, look. I don't know if y'all can see that joint. But I gotta get my seats clean, bro. Like, see this right here? My son weigh something on my seat. I gotta get that clean, man. Plus these seats starting to fade a little bit. Not fade, but they the dye from my clothes. Little cuz right here. Uh-oh, look at this. See this dog? Toes that don't. This dog going hard. Cuz in this Lexus junk. And he got on his hat today. This dog, man. What you gonna do, Slim? Cuz got the fresh Lexus junk. Trying to get this by him to get another charge. Brother gotta get fresh for the weekend. Even though I had to work today, get that OT, gotta get that bread. Cause YouTube ain't giving me that kind of money yet. My brother ain't gotta keep a steady job, you know what I'm talking about? Cause the kids and bills don't get nothing about no YouTube. Leave that unless they paying. What's up, cuz? I like that hat, yo. What's up with you, y'all? Chillin'?
What's going on?
I ain't shit, dog.
Chillin'.
Yeah. Alright, man, I'm about to holler at y'all. I'm about to get this fresh cut. I'll get back with y'all in a minute.
The next day.
Alright, guys, currently the next day, man. Had a long night last night, bruh. I woke up this morning. I had eggs, sauces, all over the stove, man. I don't know if I must have started cooking and fell asleep or what, but it was a pretty wild night last night. But in my last video, I was talking about my the valve stem. Right now, it's showing that my tire pressure is low. So I'm about to take my car back up here and back up here to the dealer so they can replace the valve stem, because obviously it's damaged. So I'm gonna try to go today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get there today. I got a lot of running around to do. So I got some information about, what I needed to do to, add the fenders, the hood, the side skirts. The same kit that, the Hellcat has or the Scatpack has. And the guy broke down each part, like the hood, if I wanted to get the Scatpack hood or if I wanted to get the Hellcat hood. Of course, there's two different prices. But he broke it down and basically told me to get everything, it's probably gonna cost me about $3,000. And I was thinking, I was like, okay, that's really not that bad considering I already got a Hemi. All the cars already look alike, even from 2015 to 2019. All the cars look the same. In the 2017 on up, I believe, leave your comments, it could be different. They all look the same. But you could even get, like I said, you can get the RT, I think from 2018 on up. And it looked just like a Hellcat or a Scatpack. So it's cheaper for me to just go ahead and the son just left me, to go ahead and just buy the kit instead of buying a whole new car. It's cheaper for me to just do that. Because if you think about it, all you're really doing is changing front fascia, changing the hood. This got it, you're gonna change these. The doors are the same. You're gonna change the bumper, valence, that's going when you change the bumper. You get the dual exhaust, you know, with the tips coming out the back. And but everything else is the same, bro. So why trade in my car just to, you know, change, you know, change up the look? When pretty much all of them look the same anyway. So I just think it makes more sense to just, you know, change the kit, put the kit on it. And that way I don't have no crazy car payment. That's good content for the channel. You know, and I can take care of other things I need to take care of, bro. Because, you know, if you've been following me, you already know I want to give me a bigger house with a garage and, you know, stuff like that, man. Like I said, I got kids in college and all that, man. So I don't have time. I don't have money to just throw away on a car. You know what I mean? So, and plus, I just think I make great content to upgrade this car and, you know, things like that. And I'll definitely, when I get the new front fascia, I'll put the inlets and get the grill that had the little 2 inlets in there. And then nobody ever know nothing. You won't know nothing. You won't know if it's a 15 or a 19. So, and I'm thinking about actually changing my exhaust out too into something different. Might get a full Scatpack. Might go with the boiler attack full Scatpack system. So all that stuff is to come, man. It's all good content. Then we can go get the car dynoed, go put it on the track. You know what I'm saying? So we got a lot to come, man. So, you know, if this is your first time joining my channel, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're gonna see what happens, man. I'm definitely got to change these tires. These tires are good, but I want a different look. So I'm gonna go with the 305s in the rear. 305s or 315s, just depends. I'm gonna put 275s in the front. And yeah, man. I started looking around online and I see people selling, you know, the hood for this price or bumpers for this price. So I can probably just piece together all the different parts, get them painted and have it put on my car. Or the dealership said we can sell you OEM parts, install everything for you for $3 grand. So I'm thinking about just going that route. That way I know it's done right. I ain't worried about no warranty issues, none of that type of stuff. So let me get some light over here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. It just make more sense, man, instead of going out buying a whole new car. And you know, that's shit, that's $40,000 right there, going out to get a brand new car. So I think it just make more sense for me to just go ahead and just add the kit to my car and be done with it. Then as far as performance, I could just add supercharger. That's about $8 grand install, because I've checked that price several times. Upgrade the brakes. That's not gonna cost that much. I can get the power stop, the whole kit, for about $300. So for about $11,000, $12,000, man, I can have, you know, my car be set up perfectly. And the main thing is, it'll be damn near paid for. Instead of starting a whole new car payment over, I can just add these parts and I'm good to go. So if you're thinking about, you know, upgrading your car, I mean, you already have a Hemi, go ahead and buy the kit and upgrade your car that way, especially if you already got a Hemi. Because like I say, you just add the supercharger, a few other things, boom, you over 400 something horsepower. What more do you need? You know what I'm saying? So it just makes more sense to me to do it that way. Now, if I get blessed with hitting the lottery, or, you know, I come across a lump sum of money and I can, you know, sell my car, put some money down on a new Hellcat, then I'll do that. But at this point, financially, and it's just what makes sense, it seems to me, I can just buy the kit and you know, just work on the performance of my car and be good to go. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, guys. You know, I wanted to share that information with you guys, and hopefully, you know, if somebody's thinking about trading in their car because they like the way the you know, the newer ones look, man, just upgrade, add the kit. Especially if you got a one from 15 on up, all you gotta do is add the, you know, add the kit to it, work on the performance, man. You right there with everybody else. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'll see you guys on the next video, man. I appreciate everybody joining the channel. The channel is growing, man. I love the support. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.